Fix Valorant critical error has occurred message. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is to make sure you have a stable internet connection. After that, go to Play Store and search for STEM, as Valorant is usually played from Steam Mobile or whatever platform you are playing from. Simply search that, and then all you have to do is make sure you have the latest version of that application. After that, go to its app info by tapping and holding on that application, and then on its storage section simply clear cache, and that should fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.